if you can see that, we have the U-Haul trailer again, and we are headed back home.
Yeah.
To what? What are we doing?
New car!
Yeah! So we have our trailer, we have the car, and Marissa went over to see if the neighbor can help push this car up onto the trailer because I can't by myself and I'm out of breath. So we just need to push it on the trailer and haul it away. Let's get it. On our way.
Bye.
Well, we are at destination number 2. Clean you off. And here's the new project car. 84 533 in literally fantastic condition. Super, super nice. Super clean. Inside's clean. This thing is mint. So we are super excited. Yeah. Oh, forgot, bud. So it will need tires, but I think we're gonna clean up the wheels. Look at this thing. Lights are in decent condition. Paint, he said, is immaculate. Look at the inside. We need to put the fuel tank back in, fix and put the fuel tank back in. This thing looks mint. Nothing in it though, but no problem. We can source all that. That's the heat shield for the exhaust. The thing closes amazing. Look at this. Needs an ignition switch, which we'll get, but this thing is mint. Like, it's really, like, that came off, but that's normal. That always comes off. We can glue that back. Those are discolored, but I think we can get some cleaner and little steamer and shop back and clean all that up. This interior is literally mint. The only issue is there, but I think we can get this back together and I can leather fix all of this. This is not that hard. I can sew that back together and then leather it and be good. If not, we can find another seat in the same color, but this thing just needs a good detail and clean, and we will be good to go on this thing. Super excited. The 5 Series is ours now.
Yeah.
Yeah, time to get it home. So as far as I could get it, the one thing I hate about these U-Haul trailers is this thing pivots to make it easy to, you know, haul stuff and not do stuff, but it makes it almost impossible to back up because the trailer goes one way and the car will go the other, and so it's like womp womp. So pull the e-brake, I'm gonna pull forward, roll this damn thing off this trailer. Give me what I need. Nope, did not. I think it's just pulling the back tires. Okay, probably one jolt forward and we can get it. Well guys, she is home. I need to push her into place. That's as far as I could get it off the trailer, but we just need to push her into place and she'll be there for a little bit, just a tad bit, and then we'll be starting to work on her. So that's a wrap for today. I don't know if you can even see me, but it's a wrap. The car is undercover. We are going to wash, wax, detail it in the next video and start actually getting down into the nitty-gritty of the car and what it needs, as far as the fuel tank needs to be cleaned and sealed and injectors need to be cleaned. So we're gonna go through some stuff to show you how to clean injectors, clean the fuel tank and get all that, but we're also gonna wash it too. And we'll go deep dive into the car in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next video.